Ya cabro, me pedí una comidita. I ordered Thai. Acabo de pedir comida tailandesa. Entonces se pone this chicken curry soup. Quería esta sopa de pollo al curry. And I got it. So first, I also ordered this spring rolls. Okay. Everybody knows spring rolls, right? Todos conocen los spring rolls. Came with this sauce, which I don't know if it's fish sauce. No sé si es salsa de soya. No, it's not soy. I think it's that fish sauce. Creo que es la salsa de pescado. That in my opinion smells like ass. Tiene como olor a raja. Well, and it tastes like it too. Tiene sabor a poto. Pero bueno. Wow. But since we're not talking about anuses here, ya que no vamos a hablar de anúlidos, let's go to the soup. Vámonos a la sopa. Comes like this. Bunch of noodles, onions, celery, los tallarines, un poco de cilantro, cebolla. Came with these bean sprouts, brotes de poroto, and this is soup, so it's a lot. But I'm assuming that they give you a bowl that is big enough. Voy a asumir que te dan un plato que es lo suficientemente grande para la sopita. It's pretty hot. This is always the complicated part. How do you open this? So I'm just gonna unknot it. Voy a desamarrarla like this, and just because of my lack of heat tolerance. Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay, remember that this also has chicken. Esto tiene pollo. Should have some potatoes too, I think. También le dieron un poco de papa. Yeah, all the chicken and the potatoes are in there. Right. It has also some leaves. Okay. Yep, pretty oily. Ya, entonces tenemos esto ahí. So now I'm gonna try to mix it, but I feel like I should also maybe split it. This is a lot of noodles. But anyway, this is how it is. And then you add, well, it has a lemon. Le añades el limoncito ahí. And then you add the sprouts. Like that. It makes a pretty good meal. Probably 2 meals, right? Quizás I feel like I really should split this, because like I'm not gonna be able to eat this, and it's not very manageable. No es muy fácil de manejar. So noodles, I feel like I almost should cut them with scissors. I saw this on TV. Lo vi en la tele esto. This clipping the noodles like this. Just make sure that your scissors is clean. Asegúrate que la tijera esté limpia. I didn't check. Yo no revisé la mía, pero I know what I use it for. Something like that. If you know how to use the chopsticks, it's way better. I'm just doing this for the camera, but it's good. Pretty good. Muy buena. I remember I used to add more water to this soup. Estaba acostumbrado a añadir más agua a esta sopa. This was my favorite soup at a restaurant that closed here in Edmonton called Don's. Era mi sopa favorita en ese restaurante. El restaurante que cerró. But I also have 2 recipes of this that I made myself in my channel. Tengo 2 recetas de esta. I think I made one the regular way, like with the noodles. I added potatoes, chicken, and then I also made a vegan version. Hice una versión vegana de esta sopa y la normal. It's called chicken curry soup with coconut. Chicken curry soup with coconut and blah blah blah. Vegan version and non-vegan version, I think. Sopa de pollo con curry y leche de coco. This is weird. Like it's hard for me to know how to eat this. Cause like, if you eat it, do you eat it with a spoon? Do you eat it with a fork? Or with this? Cause it's soup, I can just do this, but yeah, I'm gonna eat another one of these. Dip it in the soup, which people may think is weird, but why not? Good combination. Ok, nos vemos. See you soon. Nos vemos pronto, amigo. Chao. Thank you for watching. Gracias por verme.